Pavana, pioneering on-demand security cameras in Vietnam. Pavana takes great pride in being the first designer and manufacturer of on-demand security cameras in Vietnam. Our mission is to ensure the security and safety of the Vietnamese people, and we are committed to achieving this goal as a pioneering original design manufacturer, ODM, backed by substantial investments from three prestigious strategic investors, CNCTech, MK Group, and Skylight, all of whom boast extensive experience in technology development and manufacturing production. Pavana stands confidently equipped to provide comprehensive security monitoring solutions with the utmost protection. With a team of highly experienced engineers, Pavana oversees all stages of product design, spanning industrial and mechanical design, electronics engineering, embedded software, and application development. In order to maintain consistent quality and cost-effectiveness, Pavana maintains close partnerships with world-leading component manufacturers and suppliers, ensuring a stable supply of components. The manufacturing plant in Vinh Phuc, Vietnam, is meticulously supervised by Pavana engineers to ensure full compliance with international quality standards and customer requirements. Our company takes pride in owning an advanced production system and a team of skilled professionals and engineers, enabling us to cater to the diverse needs of our customers. We are committed to continuous innovation and improvement, rising to meet the challenges posed by increasingly complex security landscapes. Pavana offers a wide range of products that cater to the needs of various customer segments, including families, corporate organizations, and government infrastructures. Our products are characterized by their superior quality, cutting-edge technology, and competitive pricing. For households, our cameras serve as reliable guardians, protecting both the interior and exterior of homes while keeping a close watch on the elderly, babies, and pets. Dedicated cameras for organizations and businesses are developed with powerful specifications, modern design, and features tailored to meet the unique needs of Vietnamese enterprises. Pavana prioritizes the security factor for government security solutions. Thanks to the support of our technology partners, we have successfully met challenging requirements from ministries and agencies, ensuring top-notch security solutions. Along with R&D and manufacturing cameras, Pavana is also honored to cooperate with EdgeCore, becoming the first official distributor in Hanoi. EdgeCore is known as a prominent contributor to international standards such as OCP, ONF, TIP, DENT, and it has decades of experience in providing solutions for businesses and operators and data center. EdgeCore commits to bringing useful networking solutions to Vietnamese users with the support of Pavana. Pavana, for Vietnamese safety and security.